Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see the outcome for the first week of May for all signs. Before we go on to the signs, let us see what are the weekly messages for the week of May 1st through 7th for all signs. In the first week of May, first check what do you value? What is more important for you? Are they your relationships? Is it your family? Or is it your material wealth? Or is it something else? In the beginning of the week, each sign native should check their value system, what they value the most, so that they can stay on the right path. The key word for this week is balance. Use your passion in terms of communications, arts, or business. But remember, passion can take you away from balance, and the keyword is balance. The third important message for all signs is spirituality. When I say spirituality, it is about thinking of other person ahead of you. If you have moon in Aries, Mesha Rashi, in the beginning of the week, you will understand how to work with the seniors, and as the week progresses, you will do really good at work as well as in your personal life. If you have moon in Taurus, Vrishabh Rashi, people around you are going to appreciate your ideas, your out of the box thinking, and as the week progresses, you are going to have great time. Just remember, take care of your health and do not overwork yourself. If you have moon in Gemini, any physical activity that keeps you engaged for long duration is recommended in this week, so that you can deal with whatever stressful situation you are going through. If you have moon in Cancer, Karka Rashi, in the beginning of the week, you may find it difficult to deal with the boss, but as the week progresses, you will get advantage of your communications and you will do great in terms of achieving good things at work. They also influence your creativity in the personal life. Overall, good week for Cancer folk. If you have moon in Leo, Simha Rashi, in this week, some change of location, some change of client, or changing the way you are working is possible. However, you will get support from your teammates, and as the week progresses, you will achieve what you are looking for. Take care of health, because there is a chance that with this workload in mind, you may lose focus from what is right for you. If you have moon in Virgo, Kanya Rashi, you may get new opportunity at work, new project, or some sudden change at work and your personal life. However, you will be able to handle it very well by the end of the week. If you have moon in Libra, Tula Rashi, this week you will be busy with family matters as well as taking care of some new issues at work. As the week progresses, you will understand what needs to be done, and overall this is going to be good week for Tula folks. If you have moon in Vrishik Rashi, take help from your elder sibling or your friends in order to get over the competition at work or in studies. Group studies will help you. So use the virtual media for working together or studying together for any exam that you are taking up. If you have moon in Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi, this week you can use of various media, audio media, video media, for improving your communications or getting the best at interviews or project presentations. You will learn new tips and tricks related to this media, and this will put you ahead of the competition at work. For Sagittarius natives, this is going to be good week because the position of the Jupiter is very favorable for them. If you have moon in Capricorn, Makar Rashi, Capricorn natives should be very careful about the selection of words in the beginning of this week. That will decide the rewards at their professional level as well as in their personal level. Do not get overly emotional or carried away. This is a great week for you. Just deal with it with little bit of caution. If you have moon in Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi, Kumbh Rashi natives are going to have really enjoyable and great week. Just remember, they are going to take things slow and are not overspending. If you have moon in Pisces, Meen Rashi, in the beginning of the week, take some moments to decide your strategy as far as it is related to dealing with issues of your kids or issues or the problems related to creativity at work. Once you decide your strategy, you will be able to do really well as the week progresses. And for all signs, taking care of their physical health and emotional health is very important. If you are going out or you have to go out for work, use masks, wash your hands often, and use sanitizer. Take all the precautions that are needed to take care of your health. If you are living in India, around a week of 7th to 15th, the COVID situation is going to go at its peak and it is expected to reduce gradually after that. In any circumstances, make sure you are careful enough. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get notified with the next video that comes on this YouTube channel. Please forward this video to your friends who are interested in knowing how their month of May is going to be astrologically. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.